you need to draw the, show that is the reinforcement details. Reinforcement details. Last step, reinforcement details. Okay. You need to draw both longitudinal section as well as the cross-sectional details of the reinforcement you need to show. First, I am going to write down that is the longitudinal section. Okay. Okay. Show the support, width of the bearing or the width of the support they are going to provide it. Okay. Next is what? They are going to provide the reinforcement at the bottom. That is the main bar you have calculated. See this one. 5 bars. Show it in a thicker line. The reinforcement. Okay. And the top also they are going to provide, that is the compression reinforcement for the doubly reinforced beam. In a thicker line you show it. Next is what? Stirrups you are going to provide it. Show it. When you look it from the front, it will look like a vertical line. Okay. This is what your clear span. Okay. This is what your clear span. Effective span means from ear to ear, center to center distance of the support. This you call it as what? Effective span. That will be equal to what? 6 meter. They have given in the problem. Okay. Next is what? These are all the vertical stirrups. Okay. The dia of that vertical stirrup, it is what? 8 mm dia, 2-legged vertical stirrup at 190 center to center. Similarly, that is compression reinforcement, 3 bars of 16 mm dia bars. Similarly, that is the main bars. How much? 5 bars of 22 mm dia bars. Okay, this is what your longitudinal section LS. That is the longitudinal section. Similarly, you need to draw, that is the cross section. When you cut it, okay, you need to provide the cover inside that. Okay. Next main bars, it is what? 5 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. 5 bars at the bottom, and at the top it is 3 bars. Okay, stirrups they are going to provide it. It will be in the 2-legged it is. Okay, hook it will be there. This is what your stirrups. Okay. This is what your effective cover. They have given it as 50 mm. This is what your effective depth, 550 mm. Okay. All the 3 are what? 3 bars of 16 mm dia, and all this 5 are 5 bars of 22 mm dia bars. Okay. This is what your cross section. Cross section of what? Doubly reinforced beam. This is what your longitudinal section, and this is what your cross section. Okay, this completes what? Design of doubly reinforced beam. Design of doubly reinforced beam. This graph, that is in order to calculate what? Modification factor due to tension reinforcement. This is the graph, that is page number 38 of figure 4. Okay, you got percentage of tension reinforcement is how much? Percentage of tension reinforcement, it is 1.4. Okay, 1.4 means where it will come exactly between 1.2 and 1.6, that line. Okay, that is 1.4, and Fs value it is what? 224.37. Okay, it is going to lie between 190 as well as 240. 1.4, Okay, it is 0.8. It is 1. 0.8 after that vertical line, observe there. 0.8 it is. Between that line indicate it is what? 1 it is. 220 it is going to lie where exactly? Observe in this graph. I forgot to bring that code book to the class, appa. Otherwise, I would have been shown you. Observe in this graph. 1.4 it is going to lie between 1.2 and 1.6, and Fs value is 224. 224 means after 190 it is 200. Okay. 210 20. Then it is approximately 0.8 Allah. Less than that 1 only. It will be zero point 0.9, like that it will come. 0.98 near to 1. Or otherwise you can take it as 1 also, no issues. Okay. It's not like exact value, it is approximate value. Okay. I got it as 0.18. You can take it as 1 also, no issues. Okay. Similarly, you need to calculate what? That is modification factor for compression reinforcement. This is the figure. It is in the page number, that is 39 of figure 5. See here the percentage compression reinforcement, the modification factor. It is denoted by K2. You got PC value as 0.452. Okay, 0.452 means between 0 to zero point 0.5 it will come. Okay, 0.452. Okay, between 0 and 0.5 it is 0.25. After that it is, okay, 0.452, approximately it is 1.12 it will come. Okay, observe in this figure. That grid value, you should be familiar with that. It is 1.12. See, next is what? That is the reduction factor. For that is the flanged beams, that is K3 value. Okay, this is for compression reinforcement, modification factor, and this is for tension reinforcement.